There's some positive news about Staff Sergeant Andrew Wolf, the West Virginia National Guardsman who survived an ambush attack in Washington, D.C. last Wednesday. Governor Patrick Morrisey said Wolf, still fighting for his life, gave a thumbs up when asked if he could hear a nurse and was able to wiggle his toes.
Funeral arrangements for Specialist Sarah Beckstrom, who was fatally wounded in the attack, are pending. A suspect has been charged with her murder. Nicole Sganga now on what we've learned about him.
CBS News has learned new details about the 29-year-old suspect, still in critical condition tonight and under guard in a Washington hospital. Rahmanullah Lakanwal's former caseworker told us that his mental condition deteriorated in recent months, saying he was isolated, suffering manic episodes, and rarely spoke to his wife or children. The FBI is now interviewing friends and family in Washington state and in San Diego, scrubbing through his social media accounts, looking for clues as to why the suspect allegedly drove 2,800 miles to Washington, D.C. to carry out last week's attack.
We believe he could have been radicalized in his home community and in his home state.
But U.S. intelligence officials tell CBS News so far there have been no confirmed links to any terrorist networks. Lakanwal served for 8 years in a CIA-backed Zero unit in Afghanistan, known for high-stakes raids targeting the Taliban. He was evacuated with the help of the U.S. government after the chaotic U.S. withdrawal in 2021. Andrew Sullivan served in Afghanistan and now runs a nonprofit that helps resettle Afghans who worked for the U.S. during the war.
The trust required for those Zero units to operate with, American troops and intelligence professionals, it had to be very high. And so I'm certain it was incredibly rigorous vetting to make sure that they were able to operate with our special operators.
Trump administration officials have suggested a lack of vetting led to this attack, but the suspect was vetted again prior to being granted asylum earlier this year in April under the Trump administration.